Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to open WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store app on your phone. Then type WhatsApp to search bar. And click on install. Then WhatsApp will download slowly.
And go to the top of on your phone screen
And click on WhatsApp. And choose your language. Then go to the next page. And click on agree and continue.
and choose your country. I am from Bangladesh. For this I have selected Bangladesh, and you have to put your phone number, and I am putting my phone number, and click on the next option. If you think that this is your right number, so you can to select OK, and your phone number will get a 6-digit code. They will call you or send SMS, and I am putting my code, and click on continue, and click on allow. Put your name and add your profile picture, and click on next option. And if you enjoyed the video, so please subscribe the channel and share with your friend and share with your colleague. Thank you so much.